Welcome to another episode of Lagoon Newscast. If you're new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of our new videos. We'll start out this episode with an update on the construction of Lagoon's upcoming roller coaster. Although we have been referring to this coaster as Primordial since construction started, Lagoon recently abandoned the trademark for this name. This means Lagoon will no longer be using this name for the new coaster. Let us know in the comments what you think the new name for this coaster should be. After months of almost no construction progress, some progress was finally made this past week. Part of the coaster's lift hill and some bank track heading into the mountain has been placed. Based on the concrete footers located near this new piece of track, it looks as if some sort of helix will be featured on this coaster. All the drone footage you're seeing right now was filmed by Delorean's Garage. Check out their channel by clicking the link in the description. 2 weekends ago marked the start of Lagoon's seasonal Halloween event, Frightmares. Although many parks around the US canceled their Halloween events this year, Lagoon decided to go forward with theirs. The event is functioning basically the same as it has in previous years, with some minor changes due to the pandemic. For example, all scare actors are required to wear a mask and stay socially distant from all guests. All guests are also required to wear masks while in line and while walking through the haunted houses. The indoor show, Seance, is also not open this year. Besides those changes, pretty much everything is the same. The show in the Carousel Theater is happening, along with the Hack and Slash show that takes place on the Bamberger Fountain. All of the haunted houses are the same haunted houses that were featured last year, with some minor changes. Overall, I think Lagoon is doing a great job at handling Frightmares with COVID-19 restrictions in place. The last piece of news we will cover in this episode is the removal of about half of the arcade games in Lagoon's Game Time Arcade. This week, a user on the Lagoon Fans forum posted these photos showing about half of the Game Time Arcade completely empty of arcade games. While we were hoping that this was because of a planned expansion of Lagoon's Dracula's Castle Dark Ride, it is most likely because Lagoon is planning to build a new employee training center in the space. Thanks for watching this episode of Lagoon Newscast, and stay tuned for more episodes coming soon.